Now we're finally here, after all that we've been through. So let's raise a glass to future and to past. Here's to me and you. As our song starts playing and both our hearts are racing, I spin you around. You should see the way you're looking right now, as you're walking down the aisle in your white gown. I can't breathe, I can't speak, can't believe what I'm seeing. I'm speechless, holding back the tears in my eyes. You look so beautiful by my side. I can't breathe.